Situation 1. How to take reservations on the phone. Basic procedure. Rooms are available.
Good morning. Thank you for calling the Happy Kite Hotel. This is Susan from the reservations department. How may I help you?
I'd like to book 3 single rooms for 3 people from our magazine at your hotel.
Yes, sir. May I know your full name, please?
I'm Cameron Harmon.
Could you spell your name for me, please?
Cameron and Harmon.
Thank you. Could you tell me their arrival and departure dates, please?
It is from April 5th to April 16th.
Mr. Cameron, please hold on a minute. I need to check the availability of our hotel.
Okay.
Thank you for waiting. We have 2 types of rooms available for you. The deluxe room is $200 per night, and the suite room is $300 per night, including breakfast. Which one would you like, Mr. Cameron?
Oh, suite rooms will be fine.
Thank you. May I have your phone number and your email address, please?
It's 907-826-3317 and CameronHarmon@gmail.com.
What is the name and address of your magazine, sir?
Emmy Magazine, 245, Cold Storage Road, Craig, Alaska, 99921.
May I know the guests' names and their arrival time at our hotel, please?
I will send that information to you later.
Thank you. May I know who will pay for this booking and how they will pay, Mr. Cameron?
I will pay for the room with my credit card.
Thank you. So other guests will pay for the rest?
Yes, they will.
May I know your credit card type, the number, and the expiration date?
Yes, my Visa numbers are 226153324632439 and May 2025.
Thank you. Our cancellation policy is 72 hours prior to the check-in time. And besides accommodations, we also provide conference services, parties, tour packages, and airport shuttles. In case you need any further services, we are happy to offer them.
Okay, thank you.
Well, Mr. Cameron Harmon, you have booked 3 suite rooms at the rate of $300 per night from April 5th to April 16th. You will pay for all the room charges for the guests. We can contact you at the telephone number 907-826-3317 when needed. Is that right?
Yes, exactly.
Your reservation code is A9099. I will send you the confirmation email to your email address, CameronHarmon@gmail.com, in a few minutes. Please check it out and send feedback to us as soon as possible.
Okay.
How may I assist you more?
That is enough for today. Thank you.
Mr. Cameron, thank you for choosing our hotel. We are looking forward to welcoming you and your guests to our hotel. Have a nice day.
Thanks for watching, and happy learning.